This is a great day. This is not just a marriage. This is a join of two people that has the potential to change generations. And it's a good day today.
Something about you, it's like an addiction. Hit me with your best shot, honey. I've got no reason to doubt you.
A love that never fails.
'Cause certain things hurt and you're my only virtue.
When God made Abby, he looked back and he marveled at a true masterpiece.
You keep coming back again. Keep running round my head.
And there's certain things that I adore. And there's certain things that I ignore. But I'm certain that I'm yours. Certain that I'm yours. Certain that I'm yours.
Abby's my stardust.
There's something about you. It's when you get angry, you have me as your
Truly, she is the person that has inspired me, shocked me, awed me, challenged me, and made me sit back the most and think, actually, Kenny, there's another level here. And truly, this is my next level.
Look at me, baby. How is that? Are you okay? Are you okay? Up to my bedroom, 'cause I've waited for you. Are you okay? Are you okay? I want to use my money to scatter your brain for